portion of the Vivekanand flyover in Bara Bazar in Kolkata collapsed at about 12:15 this morning, leaving several people trapped. Rescue operations are underway and officials are trying to pull out people trapped under mounds of rubble. Disaster management groups, officials of the Kolkata Police and Fire and Emergency Services are at the site. Officials are using gas cutters to try and save the trapped people. Rescue operations are underway near Ganesh Talkies, that's near Girish Park in Kolkata, and eyewitnesses say that several people are trapped. Saurabh Gupta has the latest.
Complete chaos as a flyover in North Kolkata near Girish Park and Posta has come crashing down. As you can see, a taxi, a car, all being seen trapped under the debris, and quite a few cars actually completely smashed under the debris. You can see in these pictures, these are aerial pictures of the collapse site, and as you can see in that corner, the pillar that was holding up these concrete slabs has come completely crashing down, completely bent, and so as you can see, a lot of people feared trapped. I can actually see that mangled taxi in the debris here, the Kolkata taxis, the yellow ones that you can see all trapped underneath the debris. What authorities are also fearing is there could have been buses as well that have been trapped, and that's something that they're scared about, given that there could be people in those buses. So clearly there is a rescue operation that's been launched. Army columns have come in to try and get people out. They're cutting through these iron slabs to separate them first and then remove the debris. Lots of ambulances on standby, the fire brigade at work as well. This is the Posta area, a market area, heavily congested. There were a lot of people here at the spot when it came down. We spoke to eyewitnesses earlier who also described to us how it almost felt like there was an earthquake when all these pillars came completely crashing down, and as a result of which a lot of people were trapped under the debris. Casualties are feared by the authorities here, and what they're saying is that this is the golden hour for them, where they can try and bring out as many people as they can. In fact, senior Kolkata police officials are here as well. I did see Mr. Rajiv Kumar, the Kolkata Police Commissioner, and also Mr. J.K. Basu, another senior police officer, who were here at the spot supervising the operations that are going on. The NDRF teams too are at work. As you can see, the men in the yellow jackets in your pictures are the NDRF teams that are working, and of course they are specialized in rescue operations like these, cutting through debris. They also have these cameras that can actually detect thermal movement, and that's something they use to actually see if there are people who are trapped under the debris alive. So clearly this is something that the authorities are working on at the moment, getting the pillars out of the way first, then cutting through the concrete slabs, and then trying to bring out as many people as possible from the debris here at Girish Park, where a flyover came crashing down earlier in the day. With camera person Vishwajit Das in Kolkata, Saurabh Gupta, NDTV.
हठात ब्रिज जोर से आवाज हुआ, हम लोग एकदम डर गए बहुत जोर। कल रात को ढलाई हुआ था ब्रिज, ये वाला पोर्शन कल रात को ढलाई हुआ था, ठीक है। ये तो तकदीर मेरा बढ़िया बच गया। उस समय हम जूस पी रहा था नीचे में, जूस पीने का इच्छा था, हम देखा नीचे तो जूस पिएगा, हठात देखता ब्रिज सैकड़ों आदमी दब के मर गया। अभी ब्रिज चालू नहीं हुआ, ये पोजीशन है, बाद में क्या होता है। बहुत लोग थे और मतलब रिक्शा टैक्सी सब बहुत कुछ सब गया।
बाबू को बोले हमको लगता है ट्राम से ट्राम भिड़ा, बाबू देखो मकान हिलने लगा, देखे तो ब्रिज गिर गया, एकदम हम तो कांपने लग गए थे। जब हमको कांपने लगे, सबको आवाज किया, ए देखो ब्रिज गिर गया, ब्रिज गिर गया।
12:25 पे ही बहुत जोर आवाज हुआ, जैसा कोई बम फटा हो या कुछ हो, घड़ 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 करके, और धुआं उठने लग गया। हमको क्या बात हुआ भाई, सड़क के तरफ देखा तो बोला ब्रिज गिर रहा है।
हम तो एज यूजुअल अपने ऑफिस के लिए आ रहे थे घर से, तो यहाँ पर वेट कर रहे थे पेट्रोल पंप पर किसी का, कि वो बोले कि 2 मिनट रुके, हमारे कजन का वेट कर रहे थे, बोले 2 मिनट रुकिए। 2 मिनट उनका वेट किया, उसी दौरान सामने ब्रिज गिरा है।
कैसे क्या हुआ, क्या देखा?
सडनली इट वॉज कोलैप्सिंग, और विद इन 5 to 6 सेकेंड्स टोटली गिर गया और सामने जितनी गाड़ियां थी, आप देख रहे हो वाइट गाड़ी जो है आंख के सामने गिरी। हम लोग को ऐसा लगा कि कोई भूकंप आया है, पर इट वॉज नॉट अ भूकंप, इट वॉज अ स्लाइड डाउन।
ठीक है, कितने लोग अंदर हो सकते, गाड़ियां कितने थे अंदर?
4 से 5 गाड़ियां थी, 2-3 ऑटो थे।
ठीक है,
उसके अलावा इतना कंफ्यूजन क्रियोस क्रिएट हो गया कि हम लोगों को वापस पीछे दौड़ना पड़ा। मिनी बस भी है एक शायद।